Okay, so today we're going to be changing the air filter in a 2009 Mazda 3. Okay, so it's really simple. First, you just take these clips off. I mean, you already go ahead and lift it up some, but there's a wiring harness right here. You just take it out, but I think it's going to take two hands to do that. And you have a 10mm right here. A Phillips screw right here. So I'm going to take those three things off and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we have all of that taken off, there is also a clip here and a clip right down there. As you can see, I already got it. And now you can just lift it up. Oh, well, that's also caught onto it, but that shouldn't affect it as much as this cord is. Okay, so now we have that pulled up. As you can see, my air filter is rather clean, but you just pull it out. You just grab it and pull it straight out. I ain't gonna pull mine out because it doesn't need it. As you can tell, it's still white. And you just go back with the steps, push that back down, clip all the stuff on, and you'll be set. So just make sure you put everything back, especially the clip, the wiring harness. Make sure it's clipped on there good. I mean, it's a simple one, it's a short video. I hope it helped. You can always pry this apart if you actually want to take the whole thing off. You can take that off, but I don't need to go through all that, so well, I hope this video did help, and I'll see you all next time.